Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
LED lights flicker when paired with a dimmer switch due to compatibility issues. Standard dimmers are designed for incandescent bulbs, which operate differently from LEDs. Incompatible dimmers can cause voltage fluctuations leading to flickering. Solution-oriented approach: use an LED-compatible dimmer to regulate the electrical flow properly. Additionally, ensure that the total wattage of your LEDs does not exceed the dimmer's capacity. Proper pairing eliminates flicker and enhances dimming performance.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.